What's going on, guys? It's Dr. Delay. Got another video for you today. We're taking on the Reds, and we're hoping that we win so we can take on the Padres in the NLCS. I don't think I've played a playoff game away, so this will be a first. And again, we don't have our ace. We do not have Paul Skeens. We won't have Jared Jones. We're going to be sending out Matt Manning. So wish me luck. Ah, the Rizzler, 136, bro. What the heck? It's 4-all right here. It's been a close series. Hunter Green. It's going to be a tough out. He throws fast. Just under it. And a little late. We sent that a pretty good ways. Alright. Gotta do it without Jared Jones and Paul Skeens. Can we do it?
Puts it away for the out. Here's the left fielder, Akil Baddoo. Swing and a miss, strike one.
Is he trying to set me up for later in this at-bat?
Next offering is downstairs.
That's not
What do you want?
Stays
Sluggy.
He just having a hard time catching up.
Wow. A lot of pitches here, but it's fine if we got to go to the bullpen. No, it's going to be the last putting out everyone. This guy is annoying, honestly, at this point. Wow. F this guy.
But you gotta love this battle. Just wondering.
You really don't have to love it, honestly. Yeah, honestly. Probably going to plunk that guy next time I see him. I might drop. Oh, come on. Alright, it's the Rizzler. Trying to turn around his fortunes as you see his stats on the screen. Not doing too well. 136 batting average. No home runs. No RBIs. For the Rizzler! He sends a nice drive there to left. Nothing doing. Oh, no! That was it. Don't you dare catch it. Oh, come on! What is wrong with you? Why would you do that? 2-out magic here, and steps in Andrew McCutchen. Can he be clutching here? Oh, come on, I had it. Oh, they're just coming after me up there, man. Oh, I'm so sorry, Andrew. Oh, beautiful. Get that guy, get this guy. Double play. There we go. Let's go. Didn't even feel that great, honestly. Oh, man. Goodbye. Come on, Glaber. I'm usually really good with him. I've just been struggling with him lately. Oh, look at that timing. It's so good. Beautiful. Oh, he crushed it. 469. Oh, man. Back-to-back jacks. Clear the deck. Cannonball coming. Brian Reynolds is praising the Lord over there. Come on, Ruben. Maybe he's tired of the Rizzler stuff. Gives this one a nice ride. Is that gone? It's gone! 3 home runs this inning. The Rizzler does it for the first time this postseason. Right down the middle. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Go ahead, crowd clap for him. Yeah, woo! They're happy that he's gone. that's what they're doing. Oh, poor Hunter. You know what? I want to hit him, but right now we're doing well. We can't mess that up.
Next offer in there for a strike. Knocks that one away, and we'll do it again.
They get the swing and miss.
Oh, this guy, dude.
And that's downstairs. Fastball is outside.
Bro, that is literally right down the middle. I don't know what you want. Oh, this guy. Took 12 pitches last time. We're on the 9th one this time, dude. Oh, this guy's annoying.
And that just misses. He should. And he hits a ground ball right side.
I am hitting this guy in the head next time, I promise. I said I'd do it last time, or this time, but this
Hit hard, base hit.
mother trucker, bro. What a freaking loser.
Ripped on a line to center.
Oh, Eddie Cruz, you bum! Man, at least the game's realistic, but geez, not in a good way. Not that what I want. Yeah, it's time to
play the game.
time to start. Oh, you son of a gun, you're going 3. Oh, you got lucky with the bad throw. You did not know that was happening. You should be out.
Corners, nobody out. You're in the late stages.
Oh, the slowest.
Base hit knocks in a run.
What was that? Oh. Fine.
Squirts away a little bit.
What is with the inaccurate throws? Is everyone just choking? Am I choking? Unbelievable. Oh, no way.
One run's in. Now the second run is in. But it's a one-run game.
I want to clunk this moron so bad. But I actually got to pitch him because of the lefty
And an
here.
excellent job. The tying run is 90 feet away. And it's foul.
Oh, you're bad. We all knew that. Literally in your name, too. All right, we need something, Spencer. We need some extra padding here. Oh, let's go. What did I just say? Oh, that's beautiful. Makes up for his disastrous dive over there at first. Big. Get wrecked.
Swing and a line drive and a base hit up the middle. Changeup. And it's quickly nothing.
I can't swing with Andrew. Oh, I can actually. I was kidding.
Doesn't always translate into the game, but right there.
Oh man.
Line drive, and this might be trouble.
Huge.
On the cross, they're waving McCutcheon home. The relay, it's offline. The run comes in.
Right back to where it came. This game is over.
The run comes in.
This game is over. 8-3. Yeah. Guess I don't understand Terry's plan. Oh, that might go.
That's back.
Oh, that's gone.
Oh, you are a star, aren't you?
That's a very short. That's a very short right field.
His second home. In the
That was a
first
good season,
half of the
Cincinnati, when you guys had like 100 wins. Yeah, well, you're gone. ERA of a 10. What are you doing?
So electric these days. He's having fun at bats.
Short hop liner handled it short. And the Pittsburgh Pirates have taken the next step. They've advanced to the National League Championship Series.
We're going. Bye. Later. I'd say it was fun, but it really wasn't. Apparently we're hosting the Padres? What? Oh, the Padres were the 6. Oh, wow. So yeah, the Reds, 101 wins, all for what? Nothing. Let's go ahead and sim. Let's sim the first game. Oh, let's sim the second game. Oh, come on! No, you can't do that to me. Oh my goodness. Well, I gotta play this one. I gotta do it, or else it's over. Well, we're already down 0-2. Brian looks high.
On the mound in this one, Nick
Wave your fake towels. Off-brand terrible towels. Just realized, wait, look at the stats in the top left. Oh, you can't see that. If you look at the stats in the top left now, you see that 4 of my players are batting in the hundreds. Like, what are we doing? Torres, 176, Hampson, 182, Risser, 171, Rodriguez, at 179. I mean, that's not good. Oh my gosh. I'm feeling the pressure. If you look at them, 258, 437, 321, 300, 233, 345, 320, 280, 280. Like, they have, for the most part, their lineup is really, really good right now.
2013 ALCS David Ortiz.
Ooh.
Oh!
Oh!
That one's carrying.
The Rizzler! Oh man, he's just so good. The Rizzler is my hero. He is my hero.
Nobody's hit more home runs in this ballpark. And Machado passed Adrian.
Come on, this you can't dive with anyone around here.
That may be a pitch that he turns on.
On the ground to third, and that's a fair ball.
Okay, we're good. Don't worry about it. No way!
That's back there, and that lands inside the party porch for a home run. Bottoms up, his second homer this series, and that's how they take the lead. It's 3-1. Chris, he's homered in back-to-back games now.
Yep, seeing the ball well, and he's got his timing locked in. He's looking pretty dangerous at the dish right now.
Oh, jeez. Look where I am. Oh, my gosh. Oh, my gosh. Yeah. Oh, this is rough. This is rough. There we go. Oh, yeah. Get one back.
He'll touch them all. He's welcome back. Quite a pitcher's duel so far.
I don't know about a pitcher's duel.
Love the opportunity to come in and protect the tight lead late.
This one swung on and hit well. Way back there.
Oh, let's go!
Star, aren't you? Another homer.
2 home runs for Spencer Horwitz.
And we are tied. It's 3-3.
Stability from all of their performances.
McCutcheon goes after that one for strike one.
Manning really sells the changeup with
Oh,
that
my
arm action.
God. Oh! Andrew McCutcheon! He be clutching! Andrew be clutching!
Quiet the crowd. It's 4-3. 2 balls and a strike. Here comes
Oh, he did it again!
in the air right.
3 home runs for Spencer Horwitz. Oh, man.
He's gone yard again.
Ow!
Home run of the game. And they put a play off to the right side. That'll find the stands.
Why, I didn't mean to do that.
And
It's
it's
trolling.
Oh,
Yeah. Oh, come on! There's no way you got your feelings hurt. This is the CPU, and all I did was do the fake bunt, and you hit me. That's crazy.
more on the
Spencer Horwitz, he's put us on his back today. All right, save situation here for David.
headed towards the corner, and it stays fair. Around first, heading for 2. And he greets the new arm from the bullpen with a double.
On
Go
second is
outside,
really
outside,
pushing
outside,
with
outside.
speed.
Oh, that's fine.
Not what you're looking for after the leadoff double. A strikeout.
Bye, Manny.
Here's one away.
Bye, buddy.
Now the field power. What I like about
Oh.
something being hit to the right side into the outfield is that the base runner at second has a very good read and can determine
This is
whether
kind
or
of
not he
weird.
can score on that base hit.
Manny, I feel like that's weird looking. What is he doing? I don't know. He's very intense. Oh, crap. Oh, I forgot. I forgot about the pitch clock. Man, he needs a slider or something.
Swing and a miss, and he chases
Okay.
that one in the dirt.
Oh, no.
Slaps the
Oh,
pitch
my
on.
gosh.
Well done. Down to their final strike.
There we
Off
go.
the right side.
The Pirates
First,
take game 3
Pirates get
to
back
stay in it.
with a crucial
Oh, man. We needed that. We needed that so bad. That's going to do it for me in this one. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, please. You know, it definitely helps the little guy out. That's me. And I will see you in the next one. Peace.